Voice change. Who made the chair? See, we have question mark in the active sentence. So we first write the question mark in the passive sentence because the passive sentence will also carry the question mark. And whenever we have question mark in a sentence, we call it interrogative sentence. See, the active sentence is starting with who. So in passive sentence, we start with by whom. And then we notice the tense. The active sentence is in past tense, so the passive sentence will be in past tense. See, generally, in a sentence, the subject comes before the verb, but in case of inversion, the verb comes before the subject. So we first write the verb, that is was, because it's in past tense, and then the subject, that is the chair, and then the third form of the main verb. The main verb is make, so we write made. By whom was the chair made? See, the verb is coming before the subject, so it is an inversion. Next is who nurtured the tree? See the question mark first. So we first write the question mark and the sentence is starting with who, therefore the passive sentence starts with by whom, and therefore we notice the tense, that is it is in past tense, so we first write was and then the subject, that is the tree, and then the third form of the main verb. The main verb is nurture, and we write nurtured. By whom was the tree nurtured? And therefore this question mark. See, the verb was is coming before the subject, that is the tree. Therefore inversion is happening in this sentence. Next is who ate the cherry? See the question mark, and therefore the passive sentence, we write the question mark first and then who. The sentence is starting with who, therefore the passive sentence will start with by whom, and then we first notice the verb, it is in past form, so we write was, and therefore the subject, that is the cherry, and therefore the third form of the main verb, that is eaten. Eat is the first form of the verb, ate is the second form of the verb, eaten is the third form of the verb. So we have taken the third form of the verb, that is eaten, and therefore this question mark. So the sentence is like, by whom was the cherry eaten? See, was is the verb and the cherry is the subject. See, the verb is coming before the subject, so this is called inversion.